You're looking at Camcor's new UPC600 Vario 5-axis high-performance milling machine by Mikron. With this highly sophisticated machine, Camcor can meet even the most rigorous needs for complex and intricate parts with exacting accuracy and superb surface quality. The 5-axis machine has significantly shortened our already impressive lead and delivery times. There are a number of features that contribute to the UPC600's flexibility, speed, accuracy, and quality of finished products. This rotary tilt table works in concert with a 20,000 RPM spindle. The table swivels between -115 and +30 degrees. The StepTech high-performance vector-driven spindle ensures accurate material removal and fine finishing, and can accommodate interrupted cutting. The 30-position automatic tool changer, or ATC, can hold 120 tools. The 7-pallet automatic pallet changers, or APCs, can be automatically changed while simultaneously machining workpieces with surface areas up to 13 by 13 inches, heights of up to 14 inches, and a weight of up to 176 pounds. The combination of the ATC and APCs have reduced the number of setups and the time involved in job setup and fixturing operations by over 50%. To make sure that these productivity gains can be realized, and to avoid problems such as workpiece and/or cutting tool damage due to poor chip evacuation and part contamination, the machines are equipped with a sophisticated management system for shavings and debris, or SWARF, and a chip removal system. The machine is also supplied with Mikron's smart technology software to further optimize machining and ensure improved process reliability and accuracy. This feature enables the operator to catch variations immediately and make decisive interventions in the machining process in real time. The UPC600 Vario can easily machine exotic materials that are considered difficult to work with, including but not limited to stainless steel, titanium, and all nickel alloys. All of these features and capabilities ensure maximum productivity and continuous machining for low to medium volume production. Even one-offs can be run cost-effectively. The 5-axis UPC600 represents yet another step in Camcor's ongoing mission to make customized, high-quality parts manufacturing economically viable, and to live up to our guiding principle of the total satisfaction of our customers. We invite you to visit us at camcorindustries.com or call 613-836-2202 to find out how we can put this remarkable machine to work for you. Camcor, machining the future today.